What's up, YouTube? We already got our first siren. Not a great start, huh? Alright, let's try that again. What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Tuesday, October 26th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Low Roller? You forget to add Mark in the list. Well, it wasn't trending top 10 on StockTwits today. But we did go over that yesterday. But yeah, that was not top 10. So it's an honorable mention, but we're not going to discuss that one today. You need to add Redbox stock pumping. Redbox? Like the movie? Like the movie stuff? Like Redbox? Like the vending machine with the movies? Or is that something else? Anyway, yeah, I wasn't really watching the market today, guys. So I'm not really sure what's going on with Redbox, but I'll check that out later. What's the ticker for that, Low Roller? Anyway, thanks for being here, man. What's up, Team Crawford? Thanks for being here, man, as always. All right, so today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. That is because all the major indexes in the green here. Not by too much, but yeah, we did finish all in the green, and I believe crypto, actually, I don't know how crypto did today. I think it was kind of sideways. But yeah, good day for the stock market, so we're going to go with Tendy Town today. Here we go, siren number 2. 4 minutes in the show, got 2 sirens already. Not a great start, sorry guys. Where was I? Oh, right. You are one day late on short DWAC, you can make a ton of money. I mean, I wouldn't really say a ton, because you probably wouldn't be able to get in till around, like, 90-ish. So, it is some good money, but I wouldn't say a ton of money. But yeah, I was short on that, and yeah, I got screwed. Unfortunate, but that's how it goes. Redbox stock is a new stock. Yeah, I have no idea what that is, but let me know what the ticker is. We can check it out real quick. Alright, guys, so today we're going to be, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we have no significant news to discuss, so we'll jump right into some analysis today. We're going to be discussing Shiba Inu, SHIB SHIB. First, that's up running again, crazy. We'll discuss that one. Then we'll be doing BKKT, which we discussed yesterday, but that's pulling back a lot. Then we'll do DWAC. You know, this one has been trending a lot lately. We'll cover that, pulling back. Then we'll do PHUN, another one, been trending past couple of days. Got some news on that one, and that's pulling back again, so we'll cover that. And then finally, PROG Progenity, which, you know, has been in and out of trending top 10 on StockTwits for a couple weeks now. But that's back again today. Big news there. Big bounce there, so we'll cover PROG. So yeah, SHIB, SHIB, BKKT, DWAC, PHUN, and PROG. That's what we're going to go over today. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. And today we have some pretty good Yolos. Again, mostly all Tesla. We have 6 Yolos today. 5 of them are from Tesla, and 1 is from Amazon. But yeah, just like yesterday, a lot of Tesla Yolos. So we'll get to all of that. Got a great show for you guys today. All right. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You should wait a couple days later. DWAC. I mean, yeah, in hindsight, hell yeah, I should have waited, but can't do anything about it now, right? RDBX. Let's check it out. All right. 33% today. Very nice. I mean, it opened at, well, it hit 27, so pretty big pullback here. Opened at 20, and finishes at like 16, but it opened at 20. So anyway, good day for the stock. But yeah, it's a red candle, but it's 33%. But yeah, don't know what's going on here. RDBX. Yeah, I have no idea what this is, but it's up a lot today. So, what's my decision about the show's future? Well, Low Roller, for now, it looks like we're going to be continuing the show. And in the meantime, I'm going to be studying for my, well, interesting, because I thought I had to take the Series 7 and the Series 6, but, wow, here's another siren. Third siren in 8 minutes. Not a good start, guys. Very, very sorry, but just going to talk over it. Yeah, so for now, I'm going to be studying to earn my FINRA licenses. I got to get my SIE license. Then I got to get my Series 6.3 and Series 6.5 licenses. And possibly the Series 7. I thought I had to get the Series 7, but apparently you don't need that to start an RIA. So if I don't have to do that, then I won't do that. But yeah, for right now, and nothing is set in stone yet. But it looks like for right now, I'm going to be continuing the show. And in the meantime, studying for my licenses. I'm going to obtain my licenses. I'm going to attempt to start an RIA. And hopefully, you know, I can grow the channel. And, you know, you guys can contribute either through Patreon or, you know, Super Chat or whatever. And, you know, hopefully I can get clients this way. For my RIA through the show, through content, through YouTube. So, you know, this wasn't a possibility before, but after talking to you guys yesterday, you guys said you would invest in the RIA, and really that's the only way possible that I can really keep the show going and pursue my professional career at the same time. So, seems to be a good plan for now, so yeah, that's the plan. We're going to continue the show as normal. In the meantime, I'm going to study for my licenses, earn them, and open my own RIA, and from there, hopefully, you know, the channel grows, and I can make a living through donations and through investments from my RIA. So that's where we are at. What's up, Marvin? Thanks for being here, man, as always. Redbox is DVD rental. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, right? Like, the movies in the vending machine. That's what I was thinking. So you're saying new company. So yeah, so that is Redbox. What I was saying before. The vending machine, the movie vending machine. It's just public now via SPAC, but who the hell is gonna go for Redbox? Do people still get Redbox? They get Netflix. Who the hell buys Redbox? Anyway. GNUS is looking good. It may be setting up for a breakout. Just needs good news tomorrow. GNUS. I mean, Friday, or yesterday, did really good. Had a doji here today, so well, it's down 8%, but this looks like a doji here. Yeah, Marvin, hope that goes your way, dude. But, you know, it's never a bad idea to take profits. But, yeah, hope it gets that PR. And if it does get PR, please sell. Because you know what happens right after PR. It sells. So, either way, you know, either now or if the PR drops, I would look to cut soon. Just my personal opinion, not financial advice. You can review the show YOLO of the stock Wall Street bets. I can't afford it. I just watch the show only. Yeah, that's no problem, Low Roller. You know, you don't have... I'm not forcing you guys to donate, you know, but you know, I'm just telling you guys, if this is going to be a long-term thing, you know, I'm going to have to start making money from this eventually. So, going forward, that's the plan, you know. I'm not going to, you know, just constantly sell things to you guys and advertise to you guys, but, you know, I'm going to have to start making some money if this is going to be a long-term thing. Here comes fire truck. What is this? Number 3, number 4 siren? What the hell's going on today? But yeah, I could do a YOLOs too, but, you know, recently on Wall Street Bets, it's a little different because You know, when I started the show back in like March, you get there was a lot more YOLOs on Wall Street Bets, and then through over the months, like the YOLOs just went down. There's not as many YOLOs and not as many YOLOs on one stock. So now I only really put out YOLO videos, if there's a lot on the same stock. You know, like AMD and Clover and Wish and Tesla. You know, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna put out the YOLO videos more again. I just haven't been able to because there isn't much content on Wall Street Bets. But today and yesterday, I'm gonna be doing Tesla videos on the YOLOs. All right, guys. Oh, and this is for you, Team Crawford. I did add some memes. Let me show you guys my new memes here. So we got this one. So, I don't know if a lot of you guys get the reference. I don't think you guys seen the movie, most of you guys. But this is from Wolf of Wall Street, one of the opening scenes. My man Matthew McConaughey here. This is iconic. You know, he pounds his chest, and he goes, and then it's pretty much, it's like going full ape mode and just being a dick and making as much money as you can and screw everyone else. You guys gotta watch the movie, but thought this was a good meme. It's gonna be a lot more relevant if you guys get the reference. But I added that one. Then I added this one. This one's for you, Team Crawford. All right, as suggested. R.I.P. to these stocks. R.I.P. to DWAC and PHUN and BKKT. They get this meme today. And then we have our got one more. This one. I'm not effing leaving. Also from Wolf of Wall Street. You know, you guys, I don't want to spoil it for you guys, but this is a popular scene in the movie. You know, DiCaprio is giving the speech to his firm, like, I gotta go, guys, I'm sorry, like, I love you guys, I don't want to do this, and they're like, no, don't go, and, he's like, you know what, I'm not even leaving. This is how I felt yesterday. Exactly like that. So, yeah. Anyway, got a few new memes today. So, yeah. Took some suggestions from you guys, and, you know, any more memes you guys, any more suggestions, memes, sound effects, whatever, you know, anything for improvement for the show, please, recommend me some suggestions. But, yeah, added those memes today. You lost money on DWAC since you became ape of Wall Street Bets of day trading on short stock. This is why you lost money. Yeah, well, that was pretty unprecedented. I've never gone through something where it goes up 1,500% in a day. I was not prepared for that. So, yeah. That was just a lot of bad luck and with a combination of inexperience and just a bunch of apeness. So, I don't think I could have prepared for that situation, but hey. That's how it goes. I'm okay financially, you know? But, yeah, that really hurt, and I don't really think I should day trade anymore. Like I said, you know, it would have been more profitable just to hold Bitcoin and sell covered calls instead of spending all this time every single day, you know, day trading. Anyway, yeah, guys, so let's get started with the show. All right. So, the Dow Jones finishes up 0.04%, the Nasdaq finishes up 0.29%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 0.18%. You should wait a couple days later? Again, of course I should have, but how could you know in the moment, you know? If only we all had... If only we all had a crystal ball, we could tell exactly when something's gonna moon or dump. Anyway, guys, alright, so, yeah, pretty good day for the stock market. Well, not for the memes, but, you know, for the overall market, yes. Not the biggest day, but, green is green and green is good, so let's see what's going on here. So we got PROG, which we'll talk about 5th today. But this one's up 18.05%. Very nice. EDR, which is actually UFC, Ultimate Fighting Competition. That's up 6.88%. Nvidia 6.7%. This was a major runner, Nvidia. Yeah, huge day for Nvidia. Crazy. Let me see the Nvidia chart. Wow. I remember the first time it ran all the way up here. Then it did pull back. Now it's running again. What else we got here? DraftKings 4.12%. And then after that, it's really not much. GME 2.22%. Amazon 1.68%. Snapchat 1.63%. Robinhood 1.44%. Really nothing much going on here. So yeah, it doesn't seem like there was too much price action today, but most blue chip value stocks were in the green, which held up the whole market. But if we look on the red side, it seems like our memes and growth aren't doing so well. We see here PHUN, which we'll talk about 4th today. 4th. That's down 39.25%. We got Mark down 30.79%. Not going to talk about this one today, but we did talk about this one yesterday. DWAC, or DWAC, which we'll talk about 3rd today. Down 29.56%. BKKT, which we'll talk about 2nd today, down 22.29%. Yeah, then we got XCLA down 15.42%. Nasty. LMT down 11.8%. Romeo Power 9.35%. DATS 8.49%. ANY 8.15%. CEI 7.64%. CRTD 7.06%. ATER 6.58%. Yeah, there's a lot. This is kind of deceiving. There's a lot of red here. And, but these are like, minor, smaller cap stocks. But, yeah, a lot more red than green in terms of, like, the stocks in the stock market today. But not in terms of market cap. Yeah, Xpeng down, Pinterest down, Groupon down, Express, DD, Wish. Everything is down pretty big here. Facebook 3.92%. That's pretty bad. MMAT 3.85%. Yeah, Baidu. SoFi 3.53%. Alibaba 3.51%. Looks like Chinese EVs not doing too well today. Yeah, overall, looks like regular blue chip, value stocks did really well today, and it looks like a lot of memes and growth doing pretty bad today. So, pretty interesting, because there's a lot more red than green here, but the market is up today. So, yeah, value doing really well, growth and memes getting slammed today. So, yeah, hope you guys didn't get wrecked too hard today. Hope your portfolios aren't like super ape mode, so you didn't lose too much money today. Hope you had more of those value chip stocks, blue chip stocks. But yeah, that's the stock market for today. So not too bad, not too bad. We will take it. Living with Lucci got wrecked DWAC. She bought $90. Now it's down $58. Yeah, that's the girl you're talking about yesterday, right? With the Dogecoin and the Shiba. But yeah, it really doesn't sound like she's too good at investing, but she does have a following, and yeah, that sucks. That's not too bad. That's about 33%, which is pretty bad, but not the worst thing in the world. What's up, Maurice? Thanks for being here, man. nice to see you again. I hope you would become a regular. Well, I mean, I guess not sure how much you watch the show, but I know your brother watches a lot, and yeah, it'd be cool if you were in here every day, man. No pressure, but just glad to see you around more, and yeah, nice chilling with you, man. Dogecoin Pillow Girl. Yep, that girl. Yeah, Tesla is doing great, and BlackBerry am still down 100 for meme seasons. I mean, yeah, that's really not much, at that $100. That's what, half a day's work of worth of pay there, so not bad at all. Yeah, Tesla doing really good, but just be careful with Tesla. That's all I'll say. I talked about it yesterday. All right, guys. So that is the stock market for today. Let's move on to some crypto here. Well, I just looked at aftermarket action. So we got SPCB. Don't know what that is. Well, that's up 35%, 36%. Let's check it out. SCPB? No, did I get that right? SPCB. SPCB. What's going on here? Well, it ain't up that much anymore, but no PR, no idea what's going on. Very sketchy, not gonna go for it. All right, onto crypto. FOMO kicking in on DGLY, trying not to go in on them, but gut telling me I am about to miss out. Let's check it out. Okay. I don't know why it's running in the aftermarket here, but did it get PR? It did. Play on LiDAR. What, LiDAR is popular again? The whole microvision thing, I remember that. Well, I'm not going to comment on the aftermarket action here. I don't really know what's going on here. But the chart does look, if you're thinking about swing trading or holding, the chart does look pretty bullish. Low is like $1, 104. So 120 is a pretty good entry, and this has the potential to go back to $4. So, if you're gonna swing trade or long-term hold, I would say looks like a good play. If you're trying to trade this right now for a quick buck, I don't know if I'd jump in right now in the aftermarket right here, but maybe chill for, maybe wait till 7 o'clock or something. See where this goes. But, yeah, thanks for bringing that up, Team Crawford. Interesting stuff here. The Living Lucci, she only put $50K. She turned $2 million in Robinhood. In the peak, she got a lot of money in other brokerage. Yeah, so, she got lucky. Pretty much. She got lucky on Doge and SHIB or whatever. So, that doesn't hurt her, but I have no idea who this lady is, but it really doesn't sound like she's, that much of a financial professional. Anyway. Crypto. I'm just gonna watch. Yeah, that's probably the best idea right now. Team Crawford. Elon Musk will be worth $300 billion next week. If bill passes, Elon Musk owe $50 billion without selling stock. What bill? What, tax the rich bill or something? I mean, it's not gonna really hurt him, but that's a lot of money, dude. Alright. So crypto is up 0.39% today. Not bad, not bad. Oh, and for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. How many likes we got? Only got 2 likes? Come on, guys, hit the like button, please. Alright. Alright, so we got Floki Gravity. A new Floki meme coin. That's up 325,000%, pretty much. Crazy. Then we got Bit Up. That's up 264,000%. And we got Axionomics, 914%. What else we got here? Lightning. That one actually seems legit. Lightning and SHIB X. Let's look at SHIB X. This has been trending a lot lately, and I don't know what the hell the price is. Let me see the chart. Wow. So what, 2 weeks ago, this was worth $0.0000012, and now it's worth $0.00019. We took out 2 zeros here. Holy crap. In 2 weeks? This is mooning. SHIB X. This is crazy. Anyway, not saying you should go for this stuff, guys, but this is nuts. She had been investing in crypto and stocks since 2019. Yeah, so 2 years experience, and it seems like she got pretty lucky. That's about it. All right. Cool. So let's check out the watch list here. So Bitcoin is down 0.71%. A little bit above 62K there. Ether up 2.23%. Binance up 0.41%. Cardano up 0.156%. I did see a meme about Cardano on Wall Street Bets. They're like poking it with a stick. Come on, do something. Solana down 1.8%. XRP up 3%. Polkadot 2.21%. Dogecoin up 0.76%. And then we got Luna, Terra Luna, 9.13%. And the big runner today, Shiba Inu, which we'll cover first. But big runner Shiba Inu up 14% today. 14.25%. Polygon, 10.5%. Very nice. Cosmos, 15.68%. Let's go ahead and sort this here. Nevada coin. Yeah, what is Nevada? No idea what that is. Alright, so we sorted out here. Looks like, like 80%, 75% of the coins are green today, in the top 100 at least. And there's a good amount of price action here. Maybe for the minor coins, the minor cap, the minor market cap coins, not the bigger ones, but a lot of price action here. We got Secret, 23%, Hollow, 17%, Cosmos, 16.5%, Helium, 15.4%, Shiba Inu, 14%, Engine, 12.8%. So a lot of double-digit earners here. Let's check out the red. Yeah, not too much red and not too much price action on the red. The worst thing on red is Elron, EGLD. That's down 4.3%. Then OKB, 3.69%. Nice. Then everything after that is pretty much below 3%. Well, there's KuCoin, 3.72%. Then everything after that is under 3%. So, yeah, actually, kind of deceiving. Crypto only being up 0.58% today because there's a lot more green than red. and a lot more price action green than red. It just seems like the bigger market cap coins are either slightly down or sideways today, but a lot of these smaller coins are mooning here. But anyway, good day to be a crypto bull. Have any news? Nope. All right, guys. So that is crypto. Hope you guys made money on that today. So yeah, that's all our stock and crypto reviews for today. And there's no news, no significant news today, so we'll jump right into some analysis here. One second, guys. Yeah, Team Crawford, DGLY. This thing is still going, dude. This is crazy. Alright, what are we doing? Oh, we're doing SHIB first. So we're not even gonna go back to Ameritrade. We gotta go to TradingView. One second, guys. Let me pull that one up. SHIB. Right. Alright, let's do it, guys. Oops. Alright, here is SHIB Shiba Inu. This finishes at, well, this is currently at $4,485. And that is up 14.4% today. I might go in if they come back down in a little. Yeah, be patient, dude. I would wait till at least, the end of the day, end of the aftermarket here. So what a coin. What a coin here. This started as a complete joke, as a rip-off Dogecoin, and now I think we can pretty much all agree that this is legit. This is here to stay. So this has been very popular in the past couple of weeks. This has been on StockTwit's top 10 trending. We had a breakout, consolidation, and now we have another breakout. 4-day winning streak here. So crazy price action on this coin the past couple of weeks, and it appears like it's not done just yet. But there wasn't any news or anything to justify this price action the past couple of days. So I'm just going to assume it's a whole bunch of ape stuff here. Apes piling in and pumping the meme. So let's go ahead and analyze here. So this does appear like a possible cup and handle. Top of the cup being 4 zeros. 4 zeros, $5, which is actually the top of the cup, and it almost hit that today. So that would actually be a bearish indicator, because that is saying this cup is going to top out soon, and the next step would be pullback to form the handle. Now let's see here. A lot of math involved. 45. 22.5. 27.50. All right. So just some quick math off the top of my head. If 4 zeros, $5 is in fact the top of the cup, and 5 zeros, $5 is the bottom of the cup. This should pull back to around 4 zeros, $275 for the handle to complete here. Just a rough estimate, guys. So yeah, 4 zeros, $275 is approximately the middle between 4 zeros, $5, and 5 zeros, $5. Yeah. Anyway, guys, important thing here is this looks like a possible cup and handle, which is about to complete the top. And if the handle is going to form, which I expect it to, this should pull back to 4 zeros, $275. And that is currently a bearish indicator. Okay. Should actually draw some more. Let me draw some more here, guys. Oh. Wrong tool. Horizontal. Cool. Guess we can use another one here as well. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 4 zeros, $5,009, and 4 zeros, $4,235. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 4 zeros, $5,009, which is the high. And if it breaks that, then it's onto the upside, onto uncharted territory, and the market will decide for itself what this stock is worth, what this coin is worth. Now, if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 4 zeros, $4,235, 4 zeros, $3,811, 4 zeros, $3,464, 4 zeros, $3,156, 4 zeros, $3,039, 4 zeros, $291, 4 zeros, $2,769, 4 zeros, $237, 4 zeros, $2,229, 4 zeros, $1,959. What's this one? 4 zeros, $1,819, 4 zeros, $1,654, 4 zeros, $1,561, 4 zeros, $1,396, 4 zeros, $1,232, 4 zeros, $1,068, 5 zeros, $986. And let's zoom in. Okay. So I don't know what the last one I said was, but yeah. 5 zeros, $991. 5 zeros, $947. Damn, I can't see here. Sorry, guys. Getting very hard to zoom in here. You know what? We're just gonna stop at. We're just gonna stop at. Yeah, we're just gonna stop here at. All right. And then 5 zeros, $993, and there is support below 5 zeros, $993, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Shouldn't be too relevant. So right now at this current price, 4 zeros, $48. The channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. This is a meme coin. This should not be a surprise. Very volatile meme. Very volatile coin here. However, if/when this breaks 5 zeros, $986 to the downside, the channels start to get narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 5 zeros, $986. The RSI is currently at 83, so that is overbought and overvalued. So be careful, guys. And this did 57 trillion in volume today, very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So this is just my opinion, not financial advice. Looking at this chart, this does appear to be pretty bearish at the moment. You know, this literally 5x'd in a matter of a couple of weeks. Insane run here. And now we do have this huge cup and handle, which tops out at the all-time high, 5 zeros, $5,009, which it almost hit today. So like I said earlier, guys, I do expect this to pull back to form a handle pretty soon here, to around 4 zeros, $275. I may be wrong, but I'm just reading the chart here, trying to be objective. So yeah, we have bearish indicators in the high RSI, high volume, and possible cup and handle. No bullish indicators, well, no neutral indicators, and the only thing bullish this coin has going for it is the strong social media sentiment. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Like I said, this is at an all-time high. Very bearish indicators. If you go long here, this is going to be FOMO, and you're probably going to end up holding some bags. So I don't think this current price, 4 zeros, $48, is a good entry. I would not enter here. I will say, though, if this does pull back to 4 zeros, $275, which I predicted it would before, then I would support going long. I think that would be an excellent entry, and if it continues to pull back, then you can just average down from there. I actually should have drawn more supports here. Yeah, missed a few here. Whoops. Yeah, I'm effing up here. Missed a few, Not going to spend too much time on this, but I did miss a few here. Sure, good enough. This is a crazy chart here. I'll just leave it at that. Okay. So yeah, I don't support going long at this current price of 4 zeros for $8, but I would support going long if this does pull back to 4 zeros, $275. So I would set the buy orders for there. 4 zeros, $275. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, personally, I wouldn't do that because I don't think shorting crypto is a good idea in general. That's very dangerous. However, just looking at the chart, just based off of the TA and the graph, it does appear to be a pretty good play. Like I said, this should pull back to around 24 zeros, $275, and that's over a 40% downside from the current price. So a lot of tendies to be made, a lot of downside potential for going short here. So I would support it if you want to do it. Just understand it is risky. This is a meme coin, and a lot of apes love this coin, so there is a possibility this could keep running, although I don't think it's very likely. So going short here would probably be a medium risk, high reward play, I would say. I think it's worth a shot. Definitely worth a shot. So I would support. So once again, I personally wouldn't go short here, but based on the TA, it does look like a good play. So I would support that. Just be careful, guys. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this coin today and the past couple of weeks. And good luck to everyone currently in this coin and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SHIB Shiba Inu. What's up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, man. As always, you never know what crypto. FTM has been on a rip also. Haven't been paying too much attention about FTM. That hasn't been, on stock twits. But yeah, crypto's going pretty nuts. Alright, that took a lot longer than I wanted it to, guys. Talking about SHIB here. But, yeah, let's move on. Yeah, let me just mention the... Let me just mention the new supports I added here, which is 4 zeros, $2,569. $4 zeros, $2,464. And then 4 zeros, $2,1. Okay, cool. All right. Whoops. Nope, gotta save that. Make sure I do that. Okay, now I can exit. Cool. Alright, so I think that was by far the longest one that we're going to talk about. So now it's on to BKKT. Okay, here is BKKT. This finishes at $23.78 today. That is down 22.29%. Okay, so we discussed this one yesterday. This was squeezing along with a few other meme stocks. And yesterday, this was running pretty hard in the aftermarket. Looked like it could have been squeezing again today. But unfortunately, this did a reversal and dumped off hard today. So yeah, this finishes down over 22% today. Very nasty. A lot of bag holders today. So today just appears to be a lot of profit taking, panic selling, and shorting. But not much else to say, so let's go ahead and analyze here. And there's not too much data to analyze. We only have 7 days of data here. But let's see what we can find. So we have a gap up at 10:08. So that would currently be a bearish indicator because that is telling us this stock is likely to come back down to 10:08 eventually to fill this gap. And honestly, that's probably going to happen in the short term. Don't have an RSI here. But this did do 77.5 million in volume today, which appears to be significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so like I just said, there's really not too much to analyze here, but you know, this did go up about 500% in a few days here. So this has been an incredible run. And this does look very bearish in the short term. So therefore, like I said, I do think this is going to pull back to 10:08 in the short term to fill this gap before it starts to run again. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Like I said, this looks extremely bearish in the short term. It's probably going to keep free falling. So if you were to go long here, you'd be buying into a falling knife, and you're probably going to end up holding some bags. Doesn't seem like such a great idea. So I don't think entering here at 24 is a great entry. However, I will say that if this does pull back to 10 to fill the gap, then I would support going long. I think that was an excellent entry. So I would support going long at 10. I would set my buy orders at 10 here if you want to go long. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like an excellent play. Like I said, this should pull back to 10 to fill the gap here. That is over a 50% downside from the current price of 24. So a lot of 10 needs to be made. A lot of downside potential here. Going short looks like an excellent play. And I would support that. Just be aware, guys, there is still risk involved. This is still trending on social media, top 10 on StockTwits. The apes are still in here, although it appears like they are losing the battle right now. So there is still a chance this keeps on running, but I don't think it's very likely. So going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play. I think it's definitely worth a shot. So I would support going short. So sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but it does not look good in the short term. So I would look to lock in the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BKKT, Bakkt Holdings. All right. BIMI, what's up with that? Whoa. I didn't even see this one today. This is nuts. The hell happened here? It's pulling back now, but holy crap. This is why I miss shorting. But Can't do anything. Yeah, this is crazy. Busy, did you make a play on this? Are you in, or are you just telling me about this crazy price action? Hope you made a play, dude. All right, next one, DWAC. Gotta take a drink here. Telling me. All right. Well, thanks for that, man. Very interesting. Yeah, I mean, unfortunate you didn't make a play, but yeah, man, thanks for mentioning that, man. Crazy price action. All right, here's DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. This finishes at $59.07 today. That is down 29.56%. So here's another meme stock that we've been covering the past few trading sessions. Very popular meme stock. This has been trending top 10 on Stock Twits. But the story is pretty much the same. It's squeezed all the way to 175 and is now pulling back very significantly. It looks like it's going into free fall right now. So no news or anything to justify this price action today. It just seems like a lot of profit taking, panic selling, and reshorting. So let's go ahead and analyze here. Is this a gap? Why can I not zoom in? Whatever. So we have a double gap up. The first gap is at $10. And then the second gap is at $52. So those are both bearish indicators. Those are telling us this stock should pull back to $52 to fill that gap, and maybe even $10 to fill that gap. No guarantees the $10 gap will fill, but I'm pretty confident the $52 gap will fill in the short term. RSI is currently at 67, so that's not overbought and overvalued anymore, but still pretty up there, so still be careful, guys. And this did 40 million in volume today, which appears to be significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Alright, guys, so like I said, this looks pretty bearish in the short term. Looks like it's going free fall. And I do think it's going to pull back to at least 52 and probably lower. Maybe even as low as 10. Yeah, maybe even 10. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not recommend that. Don't think that's a smart idea. Like I said, still going into free fall here. A lot of bearish indicators, double gap up, high RSI. So this should continue to free fall in the short term. Can't say how far it's going to free fall for, but it should continue to keep pulling back. So going long here would be a bad idea. You'd be buying into a falling knife, and you're probably going to end up holding some bags. So I don't think $59 is a good entry. However, I will say I would set my buy orders at 10. It may never get back down there, but you never know. If you can get this at $10, that would be an excellent entry. So I would support going short at $10. I mean long at $10. So I would support going long at $10. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty decent play here. Like I said, this should pull back to at least 52 and probably lower. So that's at least a 10% downside and probably a lot more. So there appears to be a lot of tendencies to be made here to the downside, a lot of downside potential. So going short does appear to be a pretty good play here, and I would support that. But again, just like the other stocks, this is still trending on social media. There are still apes behind this. There is still momentum. So be careful, guys. Definitely don't think it's going to squeeze again, but there may still be some bouncing and fighting going on. So going short does still have some risk involved. Although I don't think you should be too worried about it. Just be aware of that, guys. Okay. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. And well, yeah. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice, but like I said, looks very bearish in the short term. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. All right. Next one, PHUN. I got cold feet, didn't enter, could have got in under 90. Damn, dude. 90? You would have 200% there if you got in at 90. If you sold the top, at least. Oh, well, Busy Bone. That's all right, you know. Missed opportunity, but what you going to do? At least you didn't lose money there. Would you buy DWAC at $10? Probably not. Probably not. Not saying it's a bad play, but I personally wouldn't do it. I wouldn't want to hold a stock like this. SPAC meme stock. Cool. Actually, 435. There we go. All right, moving on, guys. Okay, here is PHUN Phunware. This finishes at $4.35 today, and that is down 39.25%. So here's another meme stock that has been very popular the past couple of trading sessions. This one squeezed all the way to $24 and has since pulled back very significantly and still appears to be going into free fall in the short term here. Same story with the other meme stocks. Pretty much same story with the other meme stocks. So this one actually did have some news today. So let's take a look at that. So the news is the company filed for a $48.5 million share common stock shelf offering. So offerings are usually never a good thing. It dilutes the shares, and usually a sell-off happens once an offering is announced, which happens today. Although the sell-off isn't 100% due to the offering, but the offering definitely made this a lot worse. The offering definitely made the sell-off a lot worse than it should have been. But nothing much else to say, so let's go ahead and analyze here. $2. So first of all, we have a gap up at $2. So that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us this stock should pull back to at least $2 to fill that gap. And honestly, that's probably going to happen in the short term. So right now, this is sitting on the support of 435, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be, what's going on with my mouse here? $5.50. 660, 875, 1195, and then the high of 2404, and then the high of 2404. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 310, 275, 240, 210, 180, 155, 125, let's zoom in. Right. Cannot see anything here. 90 cents. And then the low of 70 cents. So right now with this current price, 435, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect a significant amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 310 to the downside, the channels start to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this hits 310. RSI is currently at 61. So a little above average, but nothing to be too concerned about. And this did 125 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So we discussed this one yesterday, and nothing much has changed. Still very similar to the other meme stocks. Like I said, there's a gap up at $2, and this appears to be free falling right now. So in the short term, this does appear to be very bearish. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not recommend that. Like I just said, looks very bearish, should pull back to at least $2. So if you were to go long here, you'd be buying into a falling knife, probably going to end up holding some heavy bags. So I would not recommend going long here. But I will say, I think setting your buy orders at $2 would be a good play. Should come back there to fill the gap, and I think that would be an excellent entry. So I would support going long at $2. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. Like I said, should pull back to $2. So that's over a 50% downside from the current price. So a lot of downside potential, a lot of tendies to be made to the downside here. So I would support going short. Looks like an excellent play to me. Now, similar to the other meme stocks, this is still trending top 10 on StockTwits. The apes are still in here. There is still momentum. So although I don't think it's going to squeeze again, there may be some bounce. There may still be fighting in this stock. So it's not totally risk-free. But it shouldn't be too much of a concern, so just be aware of that, guys. There is still risk involved if you want to go short. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up. Not financial advice. But like I said, looks very bearish in the short term. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PHUN Phunware. Will you cover Mark's stock analysis? I wasn't planning to. I did it yesterday. I can just tell you right now, it's still probably going to pull back, but it's probably going to start bottoming soon. Filled the gap here, so Yeah, I would say bearish in the short term still, but it's probably going to pick up some support pretty soon. All right, last one, PROG. Okay, here is PROG Progenity. This finishes at $3.99 today, and that is up 18.05%. So this has been a meme stock that has been trending the past couple of weeks, on and off. And today we get a major run, up 18%. But there was news on this today, so let's take a look at that. So the news is that the company reduces outstanding debt by $20.175 million through a private exchange of $20.175 million of its 7.25% convertible senior notes due 2025 for shares of common stock. So long story short, the company reduces its debt by $20 million bucks. Very good PR. And the market seems to be reacting to this news very positively today. Is this a gap? It is. Nothing else more to say, so let's go ahead and analyze here. $108. So first of all, we have a gap up at 110, so that is a bearish indicator. That is telling us this stock should come back to 110 to fill that gap eventually. We also have this possible cup and handle. Looks like there can be multiple tops. Top of the cup could be 4, 5, or 730. So that could either be bullish or bearish depending on where you think the top of the cup is. If you think the top of the cup was 4, then that would currently be a bearish indicator, because that would mean this already topped out and it's probably going to pull back to form the handle. But if you think the top is 5 or 730, then this stock, then that would currently be a bullish indicator, because that means the stock should run back up to 5 or 730 to complete the top of the cup. And the bottom of the cup would be 66 cents, the low. All right. So right now this is sitting on the support of $4, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 425, 455, 475, $5, 520, 535, 550, 570, 595, 605, 630, 645, 685, 730, 780, 830, 885, and then 930. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 380, 360, 340, 320, 290, 260, 235, 215, 295, excuse me, 195, 170, 150, 120. Now we gotta zoom in here. 105, $1, 85 cents, 75 cents, and then the low of 66 cents. So right now at this current price, $4, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 645 to the upside, the channel starts to open up and get real wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 645. The RSI is currently at 78, so that is overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 251 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, so it's a little bit difficult to tell where this is going to go in the short term, but if it were my best guess, I would say this is more likely to pull back to the downside than to keep running to the upside. A lot of bearish indicators here, high RSI and volume, and we have the gap up. No neutral indicators, and we have, another possible bearish indicator is the cup and handle, if the top was 4. No neutral indicators, and the only bullish indicators is the possible cup and handle, where the top is 5 or 730. But yeah, a lot more bearish indicators than bullish indicators, so I would make the educated guess that it's going to pull back in the short term here. And the PR had a lot to do with this pump today. So, usually after we get good PR, the stock does pull back. Anyway, so therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I wouldn't do that, and I would not recommend that. Going long here is more of a gamble than an investment at this point. This could keep running to $5 or $7.30. However, I don't think it's very likely, but it is possible. So if you guys want to gamble, I could support that as long as you understand it is very risky, and there is a very real chance you lose money here. So again, I personally wouldn't do it. Too risky for me, but I would support it as long as you guys understand the risks. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems to be a pretty decent play. I really can't say how far this is going to pull back. But there is a gap up at 110. So from here, that's around a 70% downside. A lot of downside potential and a lot of tendencies to be made. Now, I'm not sure if it's actually going to pull back to 110, but there is a lot of downside potential. So going short does seem to be a pretty decent play, and I would support that. And again, similar to the other meme stocks, this is still trending on StockTwit's top 10. The apes like this stock. There is still momentum here. So there is the possibility of this stock continuing to run to the upside. I don't think it's going to squeeze. I don't think it's that much of a risk. But it's a possibility. So just consider that, guys. Going short is probably a medium risk, high reward play, I would say. Yeah. So it's worth a shot. I definitely think it's worth a shot. And yeah, I would support going short at $4. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is PROG Progenity. Alright, guys. I felt like I did a lot of talking right there. But we got through all the TA. Yeah, so let's get to the Yolos, guys. Wow, that took a lot longer than the past shows did. You know, past shows we've been done with TA in like an hour. This took like an hour and a half. No, not an hour, but like anyway. So yeah, boring part's over, guys. Not sure how many people are still here. Not too many people are chatting anymore. Let me check. It says 3 people. Oh well. That's cool. So give me 1 second, guys. Let's move on to the Yolos here. I guess I'll talk while I pull this up, but yeah, guys, so since I'm not day trading anymore, I'm definitely going to have a lot more time to work on the content now, and I have to study. But yeah, I'm definitely going to have more time for content now, which, you know, I put off in like the last month because I've been busy day trading. But now I can dedicate more time to making the videos and, you know, making the channel grow again. So, you know, we should be growing again as a community pretty soon. It's on me, you know, I haven't been working on the videos and stuff. But now I do have time, so we should be growing again here pretty fast. Present. Of course, Marvin. Yeah, man. I can always count on you to be here. Very loyal, man. Really appreciate you guys. You, Low Roller, Team Crawford. Yeah, definitely very loyal. Yeah, Busy Bone too. A few guys. Joe's pretty loyal. Hasn't been around too much though. 1010, I don't know where he went. He's like in and out. Anyway, yeah, appreciate you guys. All right. So it's still loading, but we'll get started. Yeah, today, guys, we have a lot of Tesla YOLOs. 5 Tesla YOLOs and 1 Amazon YOLO. So it should be fun. Let's do it, guys. I'm listening and working on projects at the same time. Yeah, no problem, guys. You know, as long as you're here, I appreciate you guys. Very loyal. You guys are the real MVPs. All right, so this one is by Chicago. This one is by Chicago 1313. They say my Friday Tesla YOLO trade, $100K to $1 million. Playing around on Victari? I don't know what that is. What's Victari? Me too, working and listening. All right, cool, guys. That's fine. Appreciate all you guys for being here. All right, so here we have 205 calls for Tesla for the 950 strike expiring on Friday, October 29th. So 3 days to go. Super FD here. So yeah, this was a $100,000 YOLO, and right now he's up to $1 million. 1,000% gain. Incredible. He bought these for around $500 each and sold them for over $7,800 each. So massive, massive gain here. So yeah, as for the play itself, good strike. Expiration's a little too close for my liking, but it worked out here. And good timing. So overall, really good play. Not the biggest fan of the expiration, but it worked out here very nicely. So yeah, overall, really good play. I like it. Awesome play, dude. Now at this point, what's Tesla at? $10.15. So right now Tesla's at 1,015. At this point, you got 3 days to go till expiration. $65 in the money here. Yeah, personally, I think you should just cut this. I really don't see a point in holding this for 3 more days. The chart looks very bearish to me. Probably going to pull back in the short term. And you never know what's going to happen in 3 days. This might pull back below 950. So I would just take the safe option here. You know, take your $1 million and move on. Appreciate the attendees. Because that'd be very unfortunate, you know, making 1,000% gain, being up $1 million, and then losing it all because he didn't sell. That'd be a shame. So there's absolutely no reason for that. Just secure the gains here, dude. Enjoy the attendees and move on. Absolutely no reason to hold this for 3 more days. Anything can happen in 3 days. No need to chance that. So yeah, man, Chicago 1313. Thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. Not over yet, but you're in really good shape here. And yeah, dude, very good play. Good strike. Not the greatest expiration, but good timing. So overall, really good play. And yeah, dude, it paid off. So at this point, personally, I would cut everything. Like I said, there's no need to risk this. There's no need to risk $1 million. You know, just secure the gains. Just secure the gains here. Take the safe option and move on. I think that's really the only play here. So yeah, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Good luck to you. Please post updates. Good luck to you in the future, and please post updates. I want to see how you end up handling this one. All right. There was supposed to be news for TXTM and LGBS. Tell the wife. It is a 3D designing imaging thing to like make NFTs spin and all the cool effects people add. That's pretty cool. There was that like 12-year-old kid that made $1 million selling NFTs. Hey, well, no hurt in that. Why not? Just try it out. It could pay off, Team Crawford. That's awesome, dude. You making and selling NFTs? If I see a $250,000, I'm hitting the sell button. $250,000 hitting the sell button. Yeah, that would be a 150% gain. And he held it to 1,000%. So super ape stuff. Got to secure the gains here. This is crazy. All right, this one is by Whiplash588. They say, bought my first ever option last Wednesday. Is this how my crippling stock market gambling addiction starts? Sadly, yes, that is how a lot of stock market gambling addictions start. You know, beginner's luck on options, and then you bet more and lose everything. Anyway, so here we have one call for Tesla at the 9:30 strike, expiring November 5th. November 5th. So about 1.5 weeks out. So this was about a $600 YOLO. Is that right? No. Yeah. 1,000. So this was about a $1,000 YOLO, and right now he's up $9,400, up 993%. Incredible gains here. Incredible gains. Very nicely done. So, the play itself, good strike, 930. Good decent expiration. Not the best, but, you know, he gave himself a good amount of time here for this to work. And good timing. So overall, really good play. Yeah, overall, really good play. So right now, Tesla's at 1,015, and we got 1.5 weeks to go till expiration. Now, while it's highly unlikely this pulls back to 930 in 1.5 weeks, you never know what's going to happen. It's a possibility. So at this point, you're already up 1,000%. I really don't know what more you want. So I would personally just secure the gains here, cut everything, lock in the 1,000% gain, and enjoy the tendies. Because like I said, it's probably not going to go out of the money on November 5th, but it's a possibility. You never know. Crazy stuff has happened. So it'd be a shame if you were up 1,000% and then lost everything because some shenanigans happens because you didn't hit the sell button. So yeah, I think the only play right here is to cut and move on. No need to risk this any further. So Whiplash 588, thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far. Not over yet, but you're in great shape here. Yeah, man, the play itself, pretty good. Good strike, decent expiration, and good timing. So overall, good play there. Very well done. And yeah, at this moment, up 1,000%, 1.5 weeks to expiration. Shouldn't be in too much danger, but I would just take the safe option here, cut it, and move on. Because you never know what's going to happen. Crazier things have happened before. At least take the cost basis out, you know? At least take your $1,000 out and let it ride, but I'd probably just take everything out. Like I said, 1,000% up. No, you really can't ask for too much more, and you don't want to risk this at this point, so yeah, just cut it, dude. Enjoy the tendies. So yeah, congrats to you, man. Thanks for posting. Great content here. Very entertaining. Good luck to you in the future, and please post updates. I want to see how this goes. All right, this one is by BMMS 2121. They say a sight for sore eyes. All right, here we have one call for Tesla at the 940 strike, expiring this Friday, October 29th. So 3 days to go. Super FD here. Let's see. So this was around a $600 YOLO. And right now he's up almost $13,000. 2,000%. Incredible gains here. Incredible. All right. So the play itself, pretty good strike, 940. I'm not the biggest fan of the expiration. Very close, but it worked. And good timing. So overall, pretty decent play, and it worked out. I like this one. So at this very moment, Tesla's at 10.15. Unlikely this goes out of the money in 3 days. But at this point, you know, you're up to 2,000%. I really don't know what more you want. Can't run too much more to the upside in 3 days. And it actually can fall pretty hard in 3 days. So this may be the peak of your contracts here. The peak value of your contracts. And yeah, personally, I think the best place to cut everything here and enjoy the tendies. And I really don't think it's going to go out of the money. I really don't think it's going to go out of the money. I don't think he's going to lose everything here. But like I said, this may be the most value the contracts are worth. So it may go down in 3 days. You could lose, I don't know, a couple $1,000 here. So, yeah, personally, I just cut it here. But at least please cut the cost basis and let it ride. Either way, he's in great shape here. Has a lot of options in terms of how he wants to handle this. So yeah, BMMS 2121. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far. Not over yet, but you're in great shape here. Great content, very entertaining. Yeah, the play itself, good strike. Not the best expiration, but good timing. So overall, pretty decent play, and it worked out. Congratulations, man. I like the play a lot. And yeah, at this moment, up 2,000%, 3 days till expiration. Unlikely this goes out of the money, but there's really no reason to hold this any longer, you know? Like I said in the previous Yolos, crazier things have happened before, so there's really no need to risk this. I would just cut everything here and enjoy the tendies. Already made 2,000%. Can't ask for too much more, and you don't want to risk it here. So yeah, I think the only play really is to cut everything and enjoy the tendies. So yeah, thanks for posting, dude. Congrats to you. Expires in 3 days. So, yeah, good luck to you, man. Rooting for you. And please post updates. Want to see how this ends up going. Oh, comments, people, Marvin and Team Crawford talking here. Talking about NFTs. I have everything set up from the wallet, OpenSea, which is one of the markets, etc. Working on material and stuff for NFT ideas. You should look into humble NFT market ideas as well. It is lesser known. Maybe you can get better exposure on there. I mean, yeah. I mean, this is good. You know, I really don't know too much about NFTs, but you know, there's no hurt in it. I can tell you that. So, you know, you're doing good there, Team Crawford. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But might as well try. And it looks like Marvin has some pretty good information there too. So, yeah, awesome. We're helping each other out here, guys. All right, this one is by What's Deep. They say $4,500 to $69,225 at 18. Not selling until Tesla is at 10,000. Not selling until Tesla is at $1,100. Ape emojis. All right, so here we have 13 calls for Tesla at the 1050 strike, expiring October 29th in 3 days. So super FD here. So he says it's 4,500. So he says he started with $4,500, but according to the math here, it looks like this was initially a $20,000 YOLO, and right now he's up 47.5K, 218%. Okay, so this one is very interesting because Tesla is actually at 1015 now. This is out of the money with 3 days till expiration. So he might have went from 4,500 to 69,000 and back to zero. Yeah, so the play itself, honestly, this is pretty ambitious. 1050 strike is not the greatest strike. That was pretty out of the money. October 29th expiration, very close expiration. But it seems like he timed it very good. But yeah, bad strike, bad expiration, good timing. Overall, not the greatest play here. But it worked out so far. And yeah, at this point, these contracts probably aren't worth as much as they are listed here in this YOLO. But he's still probably up a good amount of money here. Out of the money, but he's still probably up a good amount of money. So therefore, I think tomorrow morning, Wednesday, October 27th, you got to cut this no matter what. I still believe you're up, and you're probably up a good amount of money, but you're now out of the money, and you don't know what's going to happen in 3 days. This can continue to pull back, and you could end up losing everything if you don't cut here. So, yeah, you got a little too greedy, and now, at this point, you should secure the gains before they become losses. I think that is obvious at this point. Please don't hold through expiration. Cut it immediately. So, what's deep? Thanks for posting. Congratulations to you so far. Great content. Very entertaining. I love this. Great Wall Street bets. True ape stuff here. But yeah, dude, let's be real. This is a very risky play. Not the greatest strike. Not the greatest expiration. But it was timed very well. But overall, not the greatest play. And you did very well up to this point, but now you're in a bit of trouble here. So, not quite sure what these are worth at the moment. But again, I think you're still up. So, yeah, tomorrow morning, I would just cut no matter what. And hopefully, you can walk away with a pretty fat gain here. But I think holding for 3 more days through expiration would be a terrible mistake. I don't care if it works. I don't know why you would even risk this. And yeah, dude, I think it's obvious here. You have to cut. You have to cut. Secure the gains and move on. It would be a damn shame if you ran it up to 69,000 and it went down to 0. So yeah, man, thanks for posting. Great content. Very entertaining. Good luck to you. Rooting for you, man. And please post updates. I want to see how this goes. Alright, 2 more. DGLY might break out the triangle leg up. Wow. I did not expect this. It looks like it does want to break out. Actually, this is nuts. It might. Alright, this one is by Ryan the Dino. He says, well, they say, of course I won't sell. Alright, so here we have one call for Tesla. At the 925 strike. Yes. Expiring February 18th, 2022. So this is sort of a leaps here. This was approximately a $4,000 YOLO, and right now he's up about 14.5K. 372% gain here. Okay. So the play itself, not bad at all. Pretty good strike. It's in the money right now. Good expiration. Give himself a couple of months for this to work. And timed very well. So overall, very well done. I like this a lot. This is not a crayon-eating ape FD. This seems to be a very well planned and executed leaps play here. So yeah, right now Tesla's at 10.15. So this is $50 in the money. More than that, actually. So this is $90 in the money here. and there's still 4 months to go. So you can handle this one a few different ways. You can cut everything here. You can take the cost basis out and let it ride, or you can just let it ride. Personally, I would either go with the cut everything or cut the cost basis and let it ride. He's in really good shape here, in no immediate danger. But I do think these contracts might be... but I do think the value of these contracts might be higher now than they will be in the short term. So that's why I'm arguing for cutting everything now. Of course, I don't have a crystal ball, so you never know. But yeah, I'd personally probably cut everything here, because this is a fat gain, 372%. You can't expect too much more. But he says, of course I won't sell. So, in this situation, for this guy, I would say, I know you don't want to sell, but please sell the cost basis at least. Please take out 4K and let the rest ride. So at that point, you're going to be up no matter what. And this may keep running, and you may print more tendies. But yeah, you can either do that. But yeah, cutting everything or cutting the cost basis is definitely the way to go. And holding everything through expiration is probably not the best idea. Again, this is very in the money, so he's not in any immediate danger, but crazy stuff has happened, and that would be really bad if this goes out of the money and he loses everything. So, anyway, Ryan the Dino, thanks for posting. Great content. Congrats to you so far. Very good play, dude. Good strike, good expiration, good timing. Overall, very well done. Very well planned and executed. So you deserve the tendies here. And at this point, you can handle this a few different ways. You can cut everything, cut the cost basis, and let it ride, or just let everything ride. Personally, I would cut everything. I don't really know what else you want here. This is already a fat gain. You can't get too greedy. But you say you're not going to sell, so I don't totally agree with that. It should work out, but I think the safer thing to do would be to cut the cost basis and then let it ride, to secure that you're actually up. And you're not gonna go into the red here. But yeah. Yeah, thanks for posting. Congratulations to you. So far, good luck, and please post updates. Want to see how you handle this one. Alright, last one, guys. DGLY might break out the triangle to leg up, low bullish. Oh, I already read that, my bad. China stocks are rallying bullish. I mean, there had to be a bottom eventually, right? Alright, last one, guys. And this one is by Chicago1313. So, another post by this guy. Yeah, this guy does contribute a lot. He is a well-respected ape in the community. Anyway, he says, Amazon corn gain, $400,000. Should I hold it? Alright, so here we have 300 calls for Amazon. $3,500 strike, expiring October 29th, in 3 days. So, super FD here. Alright. So, let's see. So yeah, this was a $400,000 YOLO, and right now he's up $475K, up 119%. let's check it out. Let's check it out. Amazon is at 33.75. So Amazon is currently at 3,375. So out of the money here with 3 days till expiration, and he's up 120%. Yeah, so not really sure why he's up money here. Why he's up this much money. Because it's out of the money and very close to expiration. But, you know, sometimes these options are priced very weirdly. Anyway, so we got 3 days till expiration, out of the money, and he's up 120%. What do you do? Should you hold? I think this is obvious. No, dude. Don't hold.
Bruh.
Like, you're up over 100%, not in the money. What do you want, dude? If you hold, it's probably going to zero. It's probably going to finish out of the money. So, I think myself and most people would tell you, hell no. Do not hold this. Do not hold this. Hell no. You know, this is very lucky to be out of the money. You know, very close to expiration and still up 100%. Nah, dude. You should be very grateful to be in this situation. Cut it immediately and be very grateful. Do not hold this. If you hold this, well, there goes your 475K profit. There goes your 400K investment. And those gains you made on Tesla, you're probably going to give right back. So, yeah, not a smart idea to hold here. I think there's one play, that's to cut immediately. Tomorrow morning. So, Chicago 1313, thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far. I don't know how you're up this much money, but hey, congrats to you so far. The play itself, let's be real, this is not the greatest play. Pretty out there expiration. Well, pretty out there strike. Not the greatest expiration, super FD, and this was timed pretty well. I will give him that. So, not the greatest play, but it's working out so far, somehow. And at this point, I think there's one play, and that is to cut everything. If you don't, you're going to lose everything. Obvious play here. Cut everything, dude. Don't hold it. Hell no. So, yeah, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Great content. Very entertaining. I'd cut it here, dude, but whatever happens. Yeah, please post updates, man. Want to see how this ends up going. And good luck to you, man. Really, really rooting for you. I'm effing leaving. That's right. I totally forgot to use the memes. Not effing leaving. Now, at least this guy's asking advice. Like, should I leave? The other guy said he's not leaving. Straight up, I'm not selling. So, no, he should leave. He should leave here. Anyway, guys. Let's refresh here before we get out of here. What is GHSI? The hell? CRTX is down 75%. That's nasty. But GHSI. Let's check both of them out actually. GHSI. The hell's going on here? No justification for this. I don't know what's happening here. This is very suspicious. It's just up 80%. Okay. And the other one is CRTX. What happened here? Bad results. Bad PR here. Well. Anyway. Alright, guys. Yeah, that's the show for today. So, that was an okay show. You know, definitely wasn't as good as yesterday, but it wasn't a bad show. Alright show today. But yeah, appreciate you guys for being here. oxygen is making comeback. Yeah, because of the WHO. Now it's November 3rd. Because everyone wants them to approve. They want Covaxin to get approved. So oxygen is trading because of that. But we'll see what happens after November 3rd. Anyway, guys. Yeah, so that's the show for today. Did it in 2 hours. Not bad at all. Not too many people in here today. Not too much talking, but that's all right. Yeah, not a bad show at all. Not too many sirens. Appreciate you guys for staying till the very end. I felt like I talked a lot during the analysis. But, got over that, and there was some pretty fun Yolos. So, yeah, guys, like I said earlier, I'm not day trading anymore, so I do have a lot of time to work on the content now. So I'm going to focus more on the content, get back to growing the channel, growing the community. And, yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to be working on my studying here to get my licenses, my series, my SIE license, my Series 6 and Series 7 licenses. And, yeah, hopefully I can start an RIA, and you guys can support by super chatting, donating, Patreon, and buying my products. That'd be very nice. But yeah, I did think yesterday that there was no way we were gonna be able to continue doing this. But after talking to you guys yesterday, you guys convinced me that this is possible, and this is actually the best case scenario. If I can start my own business and continue the show, that'd be amazing. So, still here, still doing it for you guys. And yeah, hopefully this can turn into something legit, like a real business, coming up here. I would be mad if I was in CRTX, the long side. Yeah, that would suck, down 75%. Why CRTX? What happened? No, Busy Bum. We just went over CRTX. It says graph right here. See? Bad PR, bad results, down 75% in the aftermarket here. Is that the WHO one? No, Oxygen is the WHO one. CRTX is not the WHO one. It bit connected. Yep. Oxygen Ape right here. I'm in the CNTX. Got scared for a minute there. All right. Yeah. So he was in CNTX. Imagine. Like, oh, shit. Wow. Yeah. I'm glad it was one letter off, Busy Bone. That would suck. Bulls are pissed off right now on TRTX. Yeah, I'd be too. I can only imagine what they're saying on StockTwits right now. Manipulation. It's rigged. All right. Anyway, guys. Yeah, that's the show for today. So, put on the glasses here. Yeah, so pretty good show. Yesterday was a really good show. I don't know why. Maybe because everyone came out to support me. Because I said, I don't know the future of this show. Or because it was just a lot of fun and DWAC and BKKT news and stuff, momentum. But yeah, anyway, guys. Pretty decent show today. Appreciate everyone for being here. Thanks for all the regulars who came in. Don't think there was any new people, but yeah, thanks to all the regulars who attended, and thanks to everyone who stayed till the very end. Really, really appreciate you guys, and I really mean that when I say that. You guys are so loyal, here every day, supporting the community. So, yeah, I really, really appreciate you guys, and we're not done just yet. Where's the meme? Where's the meme? I'm not effing leaving. I'm not effing leaving. Hell no. Alright. Anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns before we get out of here? About stocks? About life? Want me to look at charts? Anything? So we are cutting down on the show time here. You know, usually we used to go like 3 hours, but I am like cutting some stuff out. You know, I'm making the watch list shorter, cutting down on the TA and also the Yolos. So yeah, you know, I think 2 hours, like 2.5 hours is good. 3 hours is a little too long. I like 2 hours. This is a good amount of time for the show here. Knowledge is power, and I learn a ton in here. Yeah, I learn a ton too from you guys. You know, we all learn from each other. BKSY, sure, dude. Look at CXTD. All right, cool. BKSY. Well, this looks like a cup and handle here. Looks bullish in the short term, I would say. Probably come back to 1150 at least, maybe even 13. This looks like a spec kind of. Now this looks like a, I would say short term bullish. It should come back to at least 1150. Oh, actually, this might be a cup and handle right now. Yeah, it should come back to 1150. It should probably go higher than that. Now, this looks bullish to me, dude. This looks like a cup and handle right now. 1150 top, pulled back right here to complete the handle. So right now, it looks like it's going to consolidate and break out eventually soon. So, yeah, this one looks bullish, short and long term to me. Not financial advice. Got some catalyst in November, been trading sideways and slightly bearish. Post-spec. Yeah, I'm like, this looks like a damn spec. Yeah, this looks like a spec. So, yeah, I would say short-term and long-term bullish. CXTD. That's not a symbol. Marvin. CXTD. I think there was a typo there. Well, yeah, Marvin, if you let me know what ticker you want me to look at, we could do it. But CXTD does not exist. Nope. Did I even? I didn't even show you the damn. Sorry, busy. What was it? BKSY. I thought I had the screen up. I did not. But yeah, you look at the chart. It looks like it's cup and handling right here, so it looks bullish. NXTD. Right. All right. Yeah, this one also looks pretty bullish. I mean, it really can't go too much lower, you know. Low RSI, 39 RSI. Looks like 260 may have been the bottom. 260 may have been the bottom. But yeah, you know, this looks like a pretty good entry at $3 and a lot of upside potential. So another one here, I would say short and long term bullish. Didn't this just reverse split? Yeah, it did. this did just reverse split, and I made some money on the short side. Yeah, I'd be a little careful from the short split or for the split, but this does look bullish. Yep, just looking at the chart. I don't know anything about the company. On the 1 minute chart, want me to look at the 1 minute chart? the hell happened here? Middle of the day, this squeezed. And it's running in the aftermarket here. Kind of looks like it wants to break out in the next few days. This is a lot of action going on here that's pretty unjustified. So, yeah, I would say it looks bullish to me, man. CZOO? CZOO. Another SPAC, huh? Well, this one's a little hard to tell. This one looks like a gamble. This is like right in the middle here, but it gapped up at 805. But there is a cup and handle, you know, at around like 950. I would probably avoid this one right now. Yeah, I'd probably just straight up avoid this one right now. This looks very dangerous, long or short. But it could come back to 950. It could come back to 8. But I'd stay away from this one right now. Absolute trash. Yep, I was in NXTD on the long side until the split got announced. I told you to short. I did short. I made some pretty decent money there. CYN. Yeah, then you told me to look at this one not too long ago. Like the other day. Yeah, I can't really comment on this one. This one, there's no data to go off of. So I can't really comment. But hope it runs to the upside. And you make those tendies. Alright, guys. Anything else? Anything else? Any more charts? No, it's cool. It's cool, Busy Bone. Alright, guys. Let's get out of here. So, yeah, once again, pretty good show, guys. Thanks to all the regulars. For being here, and thanks to everyone who stayed till the very end. PSFE. PaySafe? I actually charted this one not too long ago. This one... I mean, it's not a bad price, $7.55. This is near a relative low, but it doesn't look to be done just yet. It's not catching support yet, so maybe hold off a little bit more. I mean, you can't go too wrong buying in here, but you should be able to get a better price if you wait a little longer. I would say short term kind of looks bearish, but longer term, you know, this kind of looks like the time you should start accumulating. Buy into the fear here. Right? Where's my man Buffett at? Buy the effing dip. Not financial advice. So yeah, I would say I'd probably wait. See if we can get it at like 7 or something like that. That'd be nice. I would say 7, go for it. 7, go for it. Alright, guys, let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.